Here's incredible moments that were caught on camera. This should be the commercial for this car. I can't imagine how many times I would need to climb a 90-degree hill, but if I did, here's the car for it. Could you imagine getting sprayed with that? The fire is gone, and so am I. He has no problem dodging the car, but the girl at the end gave him a little jump start. He's mastered the art of throwing flip-flops. Someone was heavily inspired by Mary Poppins, and frankly, I'm pretty impressed. Who knew the school marching band could be this cool? Nothing to see here, just making the most original sound you've heard in the last 20 years. I don't know how many times a firefighter will have to crawl through a tiny space that little, but it's good to know that someone can do it. Someone decided to jump, but this firefighter literally snatches them out of the air. This is just one of the many reasons I never wanted to be a firefighter. If ever I was stuck at the top of a tower like this, I'd want this dude to come get me. I don't have this much skill in anything, and my balance would never work like this. I'm just going out on a limb here to say that this is Canadian. This is like making the half-court shot at an NBA game during halftime. This dude is good, but he's very confident too. I'd be worried about cement falling right on my face. No one ever tells you that you can do this. But how often do you see skiing snow and water together? This dude is amazing, but now I wouldn't want to eat the chocolate. Imagine how many times they had to fail, and imagine how they decided to go for this trick. If this wasn't in slow motion, I honestly wouldn't believe that he did it. He moved it twice and solved it in seconds, and I still can't finish a basic Rubik's Cube. Look at this insane body control, and it's all with one hand. This is how every victim in a horror movie should be running away from the killer. Someone needs to recruit this dude for a horror movie. I don't know anyone who can bend like this. Talk about a cool optical illusion. Whoever did this is insanely talented, though. Not only did they time this shot, but they predicted which pin would be left over for the spare. How is she doing that? She must be a waterbender.
You want to swim to the stairs? Go, 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 go! You can do it. You can do it.
After watching this, every parent looked at their infant and wondered where they went wrong.
Go. I can't believe she made it across the pool. Good job!
Who crosses a bridge like a square on the top? This is the cool way to do it. It took 4 guys to pick up the bike, but it only took 1 guy's head to carry it up the ladder. What were the chances of pulling off an epic scoop like that? This deer shot out of the water so quickly that I almost thought it was photoshopped out. Nothing to see here. Just an orangutan driving better than half the humans we see on this channel.
Mum's furious because I forgot to buy banana bread.
Ooh, is that a parking spot?
Apparently, crocodiles aren't safe in the water either, and this jaguar proves how. This gorilla wasn't about to deal with any drama in his group. How are they just picking fish up out of the water? And more importantly, how are they sure that there's nothing hunting them in that brush?
Wow! Ow!
This cat is called a caracal, and I think that I'd have no chance in outrunning it or outjumping it. When this cat went spread eagle and grabbed the wall, it proved to be a whole different animal.
Hi, big guy. So when people see that happen, everybody's like, oh my God, he loves you so much. And I'm here to tell you he does not. I'm here to ruin the fantasy guys. This is not a Disney movie. Casper does not love me. I love him. He does not
Why
love
are
me.
you still in the water with it?
He would kill and eat me if I were to let him. So I do have to always be very careful and very aware in my interactions with him. People are like, yeah, but right now he's not attacking you. It means that he loves you. It's like, no, it actually means that I know how to handle the alligator and not put myself in a zone where I'm going to get bit. Like right now, if I... See how fast that was?
Yes. Did you? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But if you want to watch more, just click the one on the screen.